guys, welcome back to Art with Miss R. I have a special guest, my grandmother, Terry Kay Puckett. We're in her art studio. We're gonna show you how to make a collage. So we did a group collage in class where we cut out things from different magazines and put them together. I asked y'all to have a theme, but we are taking newspapers and grocery bags and different papers that we had. This is tissue paper, newspaper, and this is one of her paintings that she tore up. So you can use anything and just cut out different shapes and things that you want, and then we're gonna put them together. So you just need paper and glue. And you can use, like I said, this puffy paint that we made for the cactus. This is a great thing to use to put together collages.
It's the bottom of a grocery bag.
So you can use lots of different things that you have in your house. What's great about a collage is there's so many different ways you can execute this. You can find any kind of papers. You can do it on just a plain sheet of paper, like printer paper, notebook paper. You can cut open a paper bag like she did and use that as your collage background. And you can also do this with family. This would be a great thing to do with parents, siblings, anybody that's interested in doing it with you. So, teacher just had a good idea that if you wanted to have a theme in yours, you could pick one thing like this and put it in the middle and then build around it. As for me, I'm just kind of going by colors. So it's up to you how you want this to look, okay? The goal is to cover up all of the surfaces. So here's my example. Here's another one. And Tifa's finishing hers up right now. I hope you enjoy this project and send in pictures of your final products when you're done, and just try to cover up whatever you're using as the background. Okay, can't wait to see everyone's designs. Thanks for joining us. Bye.